As promised, the gold and silver rejection is happening. We've been talking about this on the prior videos, probably for at least 3 to 4 days. Everybody said, hey, gold, silver, they're out of the woods, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I showed you the exact levels in these past few videos that I had very high conviction for a reason, and I'll show you the reason inside of the video, why gold really had huge resistance at 4,500 and why silver also had huge resistance all the way from about $66 to $67, and bang, we rejected from them exactly where we thought we would yesterday. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know about gold and silver. We'll talk about the S&P, we'll talk about Bitcoin, and we'll take it from there. Hopefully you were ready for the trading week from the video yesterday, because if you were here yesterday, you were ready for this, right? You were ready for this reaction within hours, okay? And if you were here even prior to that, you were as well. Now, obviously, if you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolf. I'm the founder of Alpha Intelligence, pro trader. Pretty much any market, whatever you want, we can trade it because markets are markets, man. TA is TA, candles are candles, volume is volume, right? And every single market my methodology works on, we've proven it 1,000 times over. I'm gonna prove it to you again. So let's get in here. Let's talk about the key levels that you need to be watching out for and what that means for gold and silver, at least in the short term and even in the midterm and long term. So first and foremost, this was the level we were talking about, right? This was the level we were talking about. We were talking about the $4,500 level until we got up above $4,500, and even it was more like $4,550, which is right there. We were going to get a rejection, and we're getting that rejection right now. Now, let me show you something that's pretty cool. We got that rejection. Now we're coming up and we're hitting the live daily VWAP, okay? So if we can regain this, we're probably going to come back up and test this, okay? But there is a lot of volume here. This is what matters the most in the market. Like, I'm going to come back on screen for this. The one thing that institutions cannot hide is volume, okay? It doesn't matter about bull flags, bear flags, trend lines, none of that stuff. What matters is the volume in the market and the velocity that that volume came in the market. And luckily, Order Block Suite by Alpha Intelligence tells me the key levels with the highest volume where it came in a velocity that mathematically gives me an edge in knowing exactly where those resistances, as you can see, and supports, as you can see, are going to be. Look at that. I mean, this literally is beautiful. It's perfect. Boom. Look, you came back, you went up here, you came down, you tested it right there. You took the order blocks again, tested it, pumped up straight into the exact resistance that we were talking about. Now you've dropped, okay? And now you are on VWAP. So there's two scenarios here. One, you get up above VWAP, you come back up and test this, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna watch on Alpha Intelligence, you're gonna watch for a little pink triangle to pop up right here at this line, which is your 1 hour highs inside of this box. And that's gonna give you one of the highest probability setups you're ever gonna get, which is a swing failure pattern into an order block. And our indicator shows you that like on autopilot. Second to that, if you get a rejection here, you're coming right around here. You're coming for those 1 hour lows. And those 1 hour lows are right at 43.74. Ultimately, you really need to uphold those lows, and it would be nice if you could get that nice little triangle that's pointing up inside of this box right here. It'll be blue if you come down here, and you get that swing failure pattern, and then you're gonna be coming back up for these highs. Now, if we can break this down after we get that pullback, this would be a nice support. Come up here, break that down, and get up above it. Dude, there's like not much resistance all the way up to $5,000 on gold. I'll zoom out and I'll show you what I mean, right? Let me show you. Watch this. You got to give the indicators a second. It's doing quantitative mathematics in the background every time I zoom out. So let these order blocks pop up. I'm going to show you. This is literally such an unfair advantage to have inside of the market. Look at this. Look at this. This is the only resistance level that you really have that matters, right? This has barely any volume on it. 6.4K contracts, 1.2K contracts. You get up above this level, dude, This is it right here at $4,700 essentially, and then you're coming to 5K. That's where your next big resistance is, okay? Now let's talk about silver, and then we'll get into Bitcoin and the S&P. Again, silver doing exactly what we said, which is really nice to see. This was a extremely high volume. This was like 11,000 contracts or something like that of order blocks up here. We just reset the new candle, so give it a second, let it load back up. I think it was like 5,000 or 11,000 contracts or something crazy here. Yeah, 4,000 contracts on this, absolutely insane, right? Rejected exactly from the level $66 to $67 that we were talking about. Now it's moved down. It came down and took the naked daily VWAP, which again, Alpha Intelligence tells you about that, naked daily VWAP, okay? And it'll tell you there will be a line there. That was a nice profit target. That was a perfect trade. Then guess what happened? We came, we bounced, then we rejected from VWAP. So what is most likely? We're going to be coming for these 1 hour lows, 30-minute lows, and 15-minute lows right here, as you can see, at 64.47, and this order block set with $11,000 in volume. So what I would like to see for silver is this. I would like to see it come down here, right? Now that we've gotten the rejection, I would like to see it come down here, get that nice little triangle, right, the SFP, into this order block set, and then bounce, come back up here, take out the 4 hour, the 30-minute, the 15-minute, and the 1 hour highs, aligning everything into an uptrend right here, and then moving up. And then from there, I'll show you where we could potentially be moving up to if that happens, right? But that's your main and key level of support. So let these things load, let them do their thing, and I'll show you where that next resistance is going to be. It's going to be, spoiler alert, right around 70 bucks. So you're looking at about 68 to 70 bucks right up here. Your biggest level of resistance is going to be this 10 order block set with 80,000 in volume on it from 69.39 to 74. So you're looking at resistance that's starting at about 69.50 and ending at about $73.75 or something like that. So if you can get up above that, then you'll start making your way up to, the 80s and stuff like that. But right now, we got to break down that $67 level, get up above it, which is right here, and then we'll be moving up to about $70 to $74. Now, with the S&P, okay, S&P is rejecting from exactly where we said it was going to reject from, right? We actually had this trade set up in advance, right? We had this trade set up in advance, bang, right? We even had this silver trade set up in advance. Let me zoom in, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. We had the gold trade set up in advance too. We'll let it zoom in, do its thing, and then we will show you the trade. But this is essentially the silver trade that we had set up right here. It was perfect, straight into the order block set. Let it zoom in and you'll see it. It's a perfect, perfect trade. Perfect entry, perfect stop loss placement. Probably will get the exit sometime soon, but we got to wait and see how price is going to react. So here was your entry, here was your stop loss. Exit's going to be down here or here potentially if you bounce from this order block. Bing, bang, boom. That's it. That's that. And then if you look at gold, right, same type deal. We had this short setup, bang, right? From this order block set that was right here, boom, you're getting the entry right here. Perfect, perfect entry. Now, as far as the S&P, if we lose the 77.50 level, you're probably coming down to about 76.50, okay? You lose that level, you're coming down to about 7,500, and then past that, you're coming down into the 73s. This has so much volume on it, it's going to be hard to break it down. Why? Because I have 400,000 contracts in volume. That's huge institutional volume, huge institutional positioning. So as it sits, this is your target, right? If you've taken a short here, this is your target right here, man. That's it. It's that simple. And you're not looking for longs until you get that or until you stop out of this trade, break above the highs, retest, and then start moving up, okay? These 1 hour highs and lows are so tight right now. This is where your 1 hour highs are. This is where your 1 hour lows are. That's insane, man. And that's like crazy to think because the 1 hour, 15-minute, 30-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute lows are all at the same place. And if you look, you're also seeing the 1 hour, 15-minute, 1 minute, 5-minute, and 30-minute highs at the same place. And then you've got the 4 hour, 12 hour daily and weekly, like mid to long-term highs right up here. Now, Bitcoin, oops, I gave out trade. You gotta get into a different community for that. Bitcoin is bouncing from the level that we were talking about. Almost, it front ran it by like 60, 70 bucks. So would you have gotten your perfect entry here? No, you would not have. No, you would not have. there was an order block set right here that it just blasted through, disrespected like to a really, really terrible degree. Tried to come up and take the naked daily VWAP right here. Did not quite get to it, unfortunately. Again, Alpha Intelligence tells you all of these things. Like everything that you see on my chart, you can have on your chart with Alpha Intelligence right out of the box. It'll have all this stuff on your chart. So in any case, we're trying to see if this order block set, as you can see, we bounced from it. Is that going to be enough resistance or support to move us up above VWAP, smash through this order block set, and then start moving back up towards the $65,000 range, and then back up to the 1 hour, 30-minute, and 15-minute highs near 65.7? Because right now, we don't have much resistance to get us up there, and once we clear $67,000, we're looking to bring it up to about $70,000 to $74,000 on Bitcoin. And if you've watched my previous videos, you know that level, and you know why that level is so critical. We get up above 67,000, man, you could be going up to anywhere from $70,000 to $74,000. But until then, you got to sit on your hands and wait and try and time the bottom for that long, because as it sits, you can see this on the charts right here, we are in a 100% downtrend on every single chart. So when does that flip? Well, maybe this is the flip point, right? Maybe this is the bottom on it, but we don't know that until we get our confirmation. So with that being said, hopefully that gets you ready for your trading week, or, you know, kind of helps you manage your trading week. I will see you all soon. Everybody have a wonderful day. Peace.